Hi everyone, hope all are doing good. So today we will be learning a bedtime routine schedule which I do no matter what. So we would be just draining off the lymph from the face. For that all you need is oil, whatever oil that's suitable for you. This is almond oil. As winters are going on, this suits me. Or else universally we can also use coconut oil, the cold pressed one, not the normal one. Okay. So to start with, just you can just pause the video, just wash your face with a mild face wash, pat it dry and come back. Post that, what we'll do is we'll apply the oil on the face and the neck region. Be liberal in the use, the better, the more the better. Okay, just gently apply the oil on the face and the neck region completely. Once done, we would start with the massage. The number one stroke we'll start is with the neck. So for that, I would be just crossing my palms over, placing it on the inner side of the ear, the soft portion. From there, I would be dragging it towards my collarbone. Okay, let's do 10 rounds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Slowly release and relax. Inhale deeply and exhale it out. Okay, we can do 2 rounds also, but for today we would only be doing 1 round. If you all want, you all can just pause it, do the second round and again play. The next that we'll do, step 2, is again the neck. So the center of the neck, we would be just dragging it up. 1, 2, you can close your eyes to have a deeper effect. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Slowly release and relax. Place your hands on your knee. Inhale deeply and exhale. Okay, step 3 would be the chin. So if you need, you can apply a little bit more oil. I do not need, so I'm not applying. Okay, so for that, we place the palms on the chin like this, and from here we would be just dragging it towards the earlobe. So from the center of the chin to the sides of the ears. 1, 2, you can just close your eyes again. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Slowly relax and release. Inhale and exhale completely. Okay, now round 4 is again for the ears. So we make a V of the fingers, the index and the middle finger, placing it one finger on the outer side, the other on the ear back side. Okay, so just do it up and down, up and down, up and down. Okay, let's start. Both the ears together. Close your eyes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is very, very relaxing. 7, 8, 9 and 10. Slowly release and relax. Once again, inhale deeply and exhale. Okay, now we will be progressing towards the cheeks. So for the cheeks, this is my left cheek, my left hand. So left hand I'll be placing over here near my nose and lips, and the right will come from the top. So I'll be from the inner side, I would be dragging it towards the outer edge. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Okay, the next we'll do is for the right one. So my right hand is over here. The left will come from the top, dragging it towards the ears. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Slowly release and relax. Inhale deeply and exhale it out. Okay. So the next step is again we'll make a hook of the index finger like this, as you all can see. We'll place it around the outer edge of the lips, the edge of the lips. Okay. From there we will be just pressing it a little bit and dragging it towards the upper side of the ear. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Slowly release and relax. Inhale deeply and exhale it out. So now the next is the nose. So for the nose, first we will be clearing the sinuses. For that we need this middle finger. We place it on the edge of the nostrils over here, not on the nose but the edge. Okay, and just rotate it clockwise. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Slowly release and relax. Inhale deeply and exhale out. Advancing towards the eyes now. So for the eyes, again these two middle fingers, the index and the middle and the ring finger together, you would be placing on the eye, first moving it circular in circular motions, slow and steady. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Slowly we'll do it opposite, anti-clockwise. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Slowly release and relax. Inhale deeply and exhale it out. You all can even do 10 rounds. Just pause it, do the 10 rounds and then again replay. The next we will be advancing towards the forehead. So for that, my left hand is over here. I'll be placing on the right side, dragging it towards the left end, and the right hand placing it on the left side, dragging it towards the right end. So let's do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Slowly release and relax. Inhale deeply and exhale it out. So by now we've collected the entire lymph on the edge of the face, the forehead. Okay, so for that, now to drain this, the most important step, again the index fingers, the index part of the finger are placed here near the chin, and then dragging it up towards the nose, the forehead, and then the four fingers up like this, and then just towards the collar. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Again, just relax. Inhale deeply and exhale it out. That was all about the nighttime routine. Make sure you include this every day to relax your face, to release all the stress that has been stored over the day. Thank you so much for watching. Take care.